I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling remote desktop on the laptop. This turns on the listening service so you can connect. Once done, make sure the user account you'll use has a secure password and appropriate permissions. Windows blocks blank passwords. Next, check your local firewall and router. Open port 3389 or set a custom port and set up port forwarding to the laptop's local IP. Also, note the PC name or public IP so you can address the machine from the client. Now focus on secure connection. Change your network profile to private, which eases discovery, and tighten Windows Firewall to allow remote desktop only on that profile. Enable network-level authentication so the client authenticates before a full session starts. That reduces exposure. On the client device, open the remote desktop app, enter the laptop's name or IP, select your saved credentials, and connect. If you need convenience, create an RDP file or save credentials to speed repeated access. Finish by testing both on the same LAN and from outside. That isolates where failures occur. If you cannot connect, double-check the laptop's local IP, router port forwarding, and that the Windows remote desktop service is running. Restarting that service or the PC often fixes hung states. Make sure the firewall rule allows the remote desktop program and port. If security is a concern or NAT is problematic, use a VPN to reach your LAN. This avoids exposing RDP to the internet directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.